Meaning of diaper.
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 Diaper. A diaper is a type of garment that is designed to be worn by infants and young children who have not yet become potty trained. It is made from absorbent materials such as cotton or plastic that help to contain urine and feces, preventing them from soiling the child's clothing. Diapers may be disposable or reusable and are typically secured in place with adhesive tabs or snaps. The use of diapers has become widespread in modern society and is considered an essential item for parents of young children.